Hi guys, so today I'm going to do this Ovente glass kettle review, and this is not a sponsor video. I purchased it, and once you open the box there is a warranty card or the instruction how to use it, and a kettle. So let's see. This is a base, code base, not a wireless, lid, and then tea infuser. So the kettle is pretty decent size. I ordered for 1.8 liter, so that's quite enough for my family, and it's a glass, and there's a function to control the temperature here. As you can see on the box here, from 160 to 212, you can pick according to your preference. And this is the tea infuser is pretty fine, so I love that. And these are the features. As I already talked about, it has a good function in it, 2-hour keep warm and stuff like that. So let's give it a test. So first, we are just going to boil the water, and of course I have cleaned this with water before using it. So first I'm just going to show you, as you can see, the water temperature is 75 right now, so it will show you the current temperature, and then once you heat up, it will show you that temperature as well. So now as you can see, the temperature is rising. So by default is 212, and then you can adjust the temperature according to what you need. So right now I'm just gonna keep it 212, and then once it's heating up or boiling, you see the blue LED light. Once it's done boiling, it will shut off the lights and shut off itself. So that's a good ones. You can, even if you're away, you can also see it from far that light is on, means it's still boiling, and once it's off, it's done. Now I just want to show you how fast it is. It is very quick. Every second is temperature is rising. So once it's done, there is a keep warm function. Once you press that, it will hold that temperature for 2 hours. So I love that function. And now I'm also going to make a tea. So here I'm taking cinnamon stick and some currant seed. This is just my night tea, and just going to test it. So let's put this in, and here we go. And within few seconds it's boiling. So I've been using since past few days, and I love it.